Thank you for calling the Tempe Home Depot.
For store hours and directions, press 1. If you know the 3-digit extension of the person you are trying to reach, press 2. If this is an associate in one of our store departments, press 3. If you're calling about an for kitchen and bath, press 1. For lumber and building materials, press 2. For appliances, press 3. For doors and windows, press 4. For flooring, press 5. For hardware, press 6. For plumbing, press...
Hello, this is Sunny Hardware.
Hi there.
Hello?
Where's the hardware department?
You're talking to the hardware department. What did you need?
The hardware department.
Yes, I am. I'm in the hardware department.
Hey, I'm looking for a tap and die and some WD-40.
Okay. Well, okay, so is there anything specific you want with the tap and die?
That's what I want, the damn hammer.
Okay.
Do you know what a hammer is?
I can... Yes, of course I know what a hammer is.
What are you, turning into some kind of feminist?
No, so did I know what a hammer is. So, did you just want to know where they are? I can tell you where they are.
Where's the hardware department?
Okay. What is your question?
I'm Hank Hill.
Okay.
I'm proud of you. Hi there.
Hey, Ken. Let me on one second.
Okay. Oh my Lord.
This is Jeff. How may I help you today?
Hi there.
How you doing?
Okay.
What can I do for you today, sir?
I'm looking for a tap and die and some WD-40.
Okay, well, let's go see what size tap and die I have. Bear with me 1 second, sir. Okay, first of all, my WD-40, I have it runs $4.50 a can, plus for the larger can, or I sell it by the gallons, which is $14.97.
Okay.
All right, now let's go see what kind of tap and dies I got.
Yes. Excuse me?
Okay. Okay, on the tap and die set, I have a 12-inch set, which is a 1/4 20 to a 1/2 inch 13, and it runs $49.97, and that is the only part I have.
Yeah, okay. Tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Anything else?
I apologize for yelling at you.
No problem, man. Ain't bother me a bit. I just tried to find out what you needed. You have a good day, sir. Thanks for calling Home Depot.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day, sir.
Yeah, okay.